This video will show you the basic operating and safety features for our line of Stump machines. By following the simple steps outlined in this video, you will be ensured of a safe and productive experience with our stump grinders. The 5 and 6 horsepower Stump machines weigh just over 100 pounds and fold up for easy transportation and storage. They can grind a 24-inch stump to 10 inches below the ground in about 40 minutes. The 9 and 13 horsepower Stump machines have more horsepower, weight, and a wider stance, and are about 45% more efficient than our smaller models. All of our Stump machines are simple to operate, have proven reliability, and very low maintenance. In addition to this video tutorial, please review thoroughly the owner's manual that comes with our Stump machines to completely understand the proper fluid levels for your model. Safety apparel is very important while operating any type of power tools, and this is true while grinding stumps. Eye and ear protection, work gloves, long pants, and sturdy work boots should be worn while grinding stumps. All Praxis Stump machines feature a protective skirt to protect the operator from flying wood chips and debris, but safety apparel is still extremely important. Also, be sure that any bystanders such as children or pets remain at least 50 feet away during stump grinding. The first step to remove any stump is to properly cut it low to the ground. This reduces wear and tear on your stump machine and also greatly reduces stump grinding time. If you have no experience in operating a chainsaw or other cutting device, please refer this part to a professional. The Praxis line of stump machines can handle stumps as high as 12 inches off the ground, but this will increase your grinding time and wear on your blade. Once the stump is ready to remove, you're ready to start your stump machine. First, make sure the throttle located on the stump machine handle is in the start disengage position. Turn the fuel valve to the on position by pushing it all the way to the right. If starting the engine cold, push the choke control fully to the left. Now squeeze the operator presence control and pull start the engine. Once the engine is running, you will need to push the choke control back to the right. With the motor running and the blade still disengaged, position the cutting blade near the top edge of the stump. Now set the brake, which locks one wheel of the stump machine. This allows you to pivot the stump machine while grinding the stump, a key part to successful stump grinding. You're now ready to engage the cutting blade. Do this by raising the throttle to the engage position and be sure to keep it fully engaged during operation. The operator presence control is the only on-off switch on the machine and must be held while operating the stump machine. If for any reason you need to stop grinding, release this control and the blade will stop spinning in a few seconds. To start cutting, slowly advance the stump machine with a repeated side-to-side motion using the locked wheel as a pivot point. When you have finished a section, release the handbrake. Slowly push the stump machine forward. Re-engage the brake and begin grinding the next section of the stump. Stump grinding should be done in 2 steps. The first is to take the stump down to ground level. Once the stump is at ground level, disengage the throttle and release the operator presence control to completely stop your stump machine. Wait for the blade to come to a complete stop before moving your stump machine. At this point, you should use a rake and sweep away the wood shavings from the work area. This helps keep the work area level and free of any debris to slip on. The second step is to grind the stump below ground level. Do this until the stump is ground down to anywhere from 6 to 12 inches below ground level. Be sure to maintain a proper footing and tight grip on your stump machine at all times, as this will prevent it from jumping out of your control while cutting. That's all there is to it. In less than an hour, an unsightly stump will be out of your yard forever. USPraxis has engineered the line of stump machines with the highest regard for quality. We use only the best components and materials. Plus, our line of original stump machines is handcrafted in the USA. For more information, additional parts, or questions about our stump machines, visit our website at www.uspraxis.com or call us at 888-316-8200.